Hi everybody. Today we are going to be talking about setting up percent problems, including problems with sales, tax, discount, tip, and commission. So let's go ahead and jump in and take a look at the first question. So the first question says, April's bill for dinner is $84.65, including tax. She leaves a 20% tip. How much tip will April give? Okay, so let's think about what we're dealing with here. We're talking about April's tip and her bill. Okay, so we are comparing the tip to the bill. In fact, I'm going to go ahead and make this big enough so everybody can see. And I am going to mess a little bit here with centering just to make sure it's good to go. Okay, so we're going to type in and think about your tip and your bill. Your bill is the amount you pay, so that's like a total amount. Your tip is going to be a part of the whole because it says it's 20%, so it's not even a whole 100%. Okay, so we're going to type in tip, and then down here we are going to type in total bill or total cost, however you want to say it. So then let's take a look at what we know. Do we know how much tip? No, the question says how much tip. So since the question says how much tip, I'm going to go ahead and use my highlighter. I'm going to write an X because I don't know how much tip that is. But I do know the total bill is $84.65. So I put that in the total bill. Now, let's talk about the new information. We know that the tip is 20%. Okay, and typically in the new information, we are going to put the percent information. Okay, so let's take a look. It says it's a 20% tip, so we're going to put 20% or 20 in the tip section. Now, let's talk about percent as a whole. Now, we should know that a whole is always going to be 100%. So I'm going to put a 100 down there. And you're going to do that anytime you're looking for a whole as a percent, because a whole is always going to be 100%. And that's how you set up the one chart so that you can solve for X. All right, let's take a look at another one. Marisol buys a shirt for $15 and a pair of shoes for $59.50. If the sales tax is 9%, how much was the tax on the purchase? Okay, so we are looking at a part which is our sales tax. Okay, so I'm going to go ahead and highlight that in blue. All right, so we're talking about tax. So I'm going to have to go ahead and make this a little bit bigger for everybody to see. Okay, and then I want to center everything. All right, so sales tax. All right, and then of course, how much we pay for everything, which is our total cost or purchase. Okay, so I can see that I'm buying a shirt for $15. Okay, and I can see that I am buying shoes for $59.50. Well, I mean, I could calculate this stuff individually, or I could calculate it all together. So if I'm going to calculate it all together, I want to add $59.50 and $15. So when I add those two, I get $74.50 for my total. And then do I know how much the sales tax is? How much was the tax? Oh, okay. So if I'm looking for how much was the tax, then that tells me right there that that is my missing piece of information. So that's my X. And then we come in for the new information. Our new information is our percentage. Okay, so we're talking about new being the percents. So 9% is the sales tax. And remember, one whole is equal to 100%. And there you have it. There's your setup again. Let's try another. The AirPods that Becky purchased is discounted at 25%. So we have a discount. That's what we're comparing. Oops, that didn't work. All right, so I'm going to come over here and put this in blue. Discount is 25%. And the regular price is $149. All right, so we're comparing the discount to the price. Oops, let me go ahead and make it big enough for everybody to see again. All right, center it, and we're ready to go on. So we've got our discount and our price. So our discount, do we know how much our discount? Oh, no, look right here. What is Becky's discount? Right there. We do not know that information, so that is our X. Okay, and the regular price is $149. New is always going to be our percents. So if the new is our percents, we've got 25% there. And remember, a whole is always 100%. And there's another perfectly done setup for you. Last one, a realtor earns 6% commission. Okay. On every home that she sells. What is her commission? Oh, so we need to find the commission. What is her commission if she sells a house that costs $450,000? Okay, so we've got commission and we've got the price of a house. So there we go, centering it. So we've got commission. Oops, that's not how you spell commission. And the price of house. Okay, so what is her commission? Oh, I don't know. Put an X. How much does the house cost? $450,000. Okay, and then her commission is 6%. And remember, percent is always out of 100. And there you have it. There's your setup for your one chart there as well. All right, guys, use what we've learned to help you answer your questions, and y'all have a good day. Bye.